Oni kaching hon piloni, oni kaching hon sokari, umangan kang jopari, kang lale chere ompide. Bilang tikulong kopi borai, uon hiri, singhason pen putsari, matang lapen ingong kiri, kondamon pena amride. Kim komong kandung lagi.
Here at Talking Out Loud.
Non nilitum karbing long live pen gelo mangai pembukrang labang swak kelam along sidolo lada kabang ke Jaisalmer Karbi Youth Festival in collaboration lo alang litum all Karbi long talent hunt society in Principati Biponsi quiz competition bipon po la sida quiz competition lo nang bipon ahot penangan student atum na chitong dundo student mandal amte CRG kona. So are you going to participate in the quiz competition?
Yes.
Okay, which standard you read?
6.
Can you tell me your good name, please?
Purabi Jigdong,
From which school you came from?
Mount Calvary.
Are you fully prepared for this quiz competition?
Yes.
Did you ever participate quiz competition before, like in a big events like today?
No,
This is your first time.
Yeah.
Are you mentally prepared?
Yeah.
Are you gonna win this quiz competition for your school?
Maybe
How many students you here to participate from your school?
4,
4.
but 2 of them came by themselves.
Okay, and what about you?
Selected from school.
Okay, wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi,
From which school you came?
we are from St. Mary's High School.
St. Mary High School. So, have you ever participated like this quiz competition before in a big event like today's program?
No, this is
This is your first time. I think you participate in the school program, but you never participate outside the school, right?
Yes.
So, are you physically, mentally prepared for this? Did you study all about today's quiz competition?
Yes, some I have studied.
Are you nervous?
Yeah,
Okay. How many students today going to participate from your school?
from our school, 6 of us.
Good morning, everyone.
Which standard you read?
I'm
Now,
in 8th
let's start
standard.
our
Okay,
program
wishing you all the best.
formally. Talent Hunt Society,
From which school you came
also
from?
known as ACAS,
I came from Mount Calvary
cordially
School.
invite
Which standard you read?
each and every one of
Class
you
Your good name,
and
please.
welcome
My name is Albab
with
Nadir.
a grand welcome.
Okay. Are
all
you
of you
nervous for
the
today's quiz competition?
Mukran Achatai
Yeah, a little bit.
for the
How many
Karbi
students came to
Youth
participate
Festival
from your
quiz
school?
competition.
6.
6. Okay. Wishing you all the best. Welcome.
I welcome to all the respected teachers, principals,
From which school you came from?
and all the well-wishers
Your name?
and all the dignitaries
Which
and
standard you read?
students coming
Which
from
standard you read?
schools.
Class 9.
Okay. Have you ever participated such kind of a big event quiz competition before?
No, this is the first
This is the first time. Are you feeling nervous?
Yeah.
Are you gonna win this one?
Quiz competition.
No
You don't
idea.
know. What is your name?
My name is
I would like to
Are you prepared for this?
each and every one of you
Wishing you all the best.
to rise up.
Your name?
My name is Ampar Krupi.
Okay. From which school you came from?
Calvary Home Academy.
Which standard you read?
Class 8.
So, what kind of program are you going to participate?
We are here to sing. We are from choir group.
Okay.
Next, I have scored 18. Going.
6th grade and I'm from Mount Calvary School. Good morning everyone. My name is John Grumpy. I'm from Menacing Memorial English Senior Secondary School. I studied in class 9. Thank you. morning everyone. My name is Moinaing Tipi and I am from Benhansi School and I am studying in class 9. Thank you.
Park. I'm from St. Louis High School and I'm currently studying in class 9.
Good morning everyone. My name is Satika Elaine P and I am from St. Mary's High School and studying in class 8.
A very warm good morning to all present here. My name is Raysabon Timungli of grade 7 from Calvary Home Academy. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Fermin Pipi of grade 7 from Calvary Home Academy.
A very warm good morning. I'm Pratiksha Mithi from Calvary Home Academy and I'm currently studying in grade 9.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ansha Puranti.
Grade 8. I'm currently studying at Calvary Home Academy. Next question please. Bharata. Group B. This question goes to Group B. Who composed the epic Mahabharata? Who is here? Pardon? Yes, A is the right answer. 14 I will block. Group B. Option number A. Option number A is the right answer. Silver, gold or bronze? C is the right answer. They have scored 18. Pikes were all the people who were physically fit to provide system labor to the team. Pike system apne those who introduced the system during the whole period. Now the question is, what was the minimum and maximum age to the 1846? Next slide please. Group Ahom dynasty in which year? Shubhra, Assam history. Medieval India. In which year? C is not the right answer. Group E. The Chinese traveler Yuan Shang came to Kanpur during the Reign War. Yes, Rasta is the right answer. 10 marks. Group E.
Our own Caribbean long quiz competition. Over to you, sir.
Guests as well as guests of honor, how they might have been feeling while they were actually talking with all the noises coming from every direction. So I won't be speaking much, but yes, I would like to encourage all the students, those who have participated today, to also participate next year. This quiz competition is not only meant for the winners, it's for the participant. You will have to give your best. Even if you have lost this time, you will win next year. And even if you do not win next year, you might win the next year. So do not give hope. You will win, and you will win for sure. And this Karbi Youth Festival is obviously a festival of, you see, youth, encouraging the youth. And then we are actually talking about representation of culture, customs, tradition. But besides this, we should also talk about celebration of knowledge. So celebration of knowledge is what we are doing right now, what you have been doing a while ago. That is through this quiz competition. So may the spirit of light, may the spirit of wisdom, may the spirit of knowledge continue to shine, not only here in Karbi Youth Festival Taralangso, but in every home and in every...
That is team A. And next I request team... And next I request...
Participation and the right answer. Thank you for the right. Thank you for the right answer. Thank you for the participation.
Quiz competition. Karju ke thak. Asang deng nang bidun. Nantum mir herai asong NGO song nomhan. Chorolo. Nalatum asonang bidun pen. Adak rong aje ansose alon doilo lapen natum tamela dak riso yang nang pacetong dun lo lapen Karbi ajutang ajubat dak hek ponlong lo.
Karbi Youth Festival, we all know that it is the oldest ethnic festival in India. Now we are entering the 52nd edition, and along with promoting our culture, it's very heartening to see that a program or an initiative like a quiz competition is being organized to help encourage young minds to study, to encourage young minds to pass on the knowledge on to the others.
Who bagged the third place? Any guess? Who might have won the third? Let me announce. So
this is the third prize, and this prize is sponsored by Mem Kate Teronpi, Honorable Wife of our CM, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang. Congratulations to both of them.
Pleasure and joy to announce the first prize award winners. Septica Inglengpi of St. Mary's High School, Diffu, and Mr. Krishnakanto Rongphar of St. Mary's High School again. Kindly come up on stage, please.